Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Did you not see you went through a red light?
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you went through a red light there.
My light was green.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was.
No.
Because you're tailgating me through an area where there are a lot of deer.
On cruise control, and my freaking, when I came over the hill, my car just went shooting like that.
Ma'am, you're tailgating me.
I wasn't tailgating.
And then I have you stopped on the middle of the road on video too.
That's fine.
That's dangerous.
Over the hill, my car just took off on me. It's like,
Ma'am, what if someone else came over the hill and hit us? You're driving recklessly.
okay?
Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah, I had to take it off cruise control because it just took off on me. It did that on the highway.
You're still responsible for your car driving, and if it did it to you on the highway, you probably shouldn't be using it.
Yeah, well, it was only when I went over the hill.
Okay, it still didn't work when you were going on the highway and you used it again here.
This time it did.
Ma'am, I think you're at fault here and you just want to be right. You're still here talking to me, so I think you want to be right.
Well, I can't turn because I'm going that way and you're going this way.
Well, you're in the wrong lane right now. That's probably why it is. No, I'll back up and let you go first. You know what you're doing.
What?
I can see, thank you.
Get off your phone. What the hell? Put your phone down.
Sunset Boulevard, a drive I have taken so many times, headed down to the beach. So many people here in Los Angeles enjoy that drive, and that's where we saw the full-scale devastation caused by these fires. Take a look at this. Right now it is 10:21 in the morning. So I will tell you that because what I'm about to show you, I don't know when this gets out.
hours or else. Yeah, like literally in downtown Phoenix, you have to walk 15 minutes in between spots. Like it's
yeah,
not
that's
right.
crazy. Like they should, and they're all.
Oh. Oh my god.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
No, that was totally their fault. They're just gonna keep.
Jesus Christ.
What are you doing? What the are you doing? Are you
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.